Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. So today we're gonna do another unboxing video. It's gonna be quick and I'm gonna put you on timeline, and I'm just gonna use my voice to describe what I'm doing, and then we'll take it from there. Hello. So continuing with the unboxing. So this is a very good unboxing video, and as I said before, I love Shein, and I especially love the process of opening up everything. I don't know why it kind of feels therapeutic, so I can see what I've bought and just probably look at what I bought and wonder what it is, like the way I was looking at the brushes. But it's very therapeutic to open everything, especially if you've not seen everything. Anyway, don't worry. I was wondering where the light is hitting where the light, where I can get the most out of the light, but I ended up in the same place. So we're gonna do this unboxing, and we're talking about the surprise of getting everything, and especially if you're unboxing them for the first time. That is such a good surprise. Anyway, I'm gonna start really quickly in a minute with some shoes that I bought. I wanted to go somewhere where I will probably require some flats, and I bought these flats. Unfortunately, they look so cute. Unfortunately, they did not fit me. They're too small, and so I had to return them. And then I bought these sneakers. They were not very nice because they are quite small. The good thing with Shein is that you can be able to return things if they don't fit you the way you want them to fit. So I'm probably going to return this because they're too small and I didn't like the shape in the front. And then we have this dress. As you can see, it looks really cool on the model on Shein. And I forgot to tie the belt. It has a small belt. They're probably going to see next. But the dress is so cute. It looks exactly like it should be looking on the website. It's a little bit short, and I'm just a bit I don't know why I don't like very short dresses. For example, see the next one. It's a purple dress. It looks like a blazer dress, and for some reason it looks very good on the it looks good, but my legs, I hate the idea of my legs being out for that. I don't like my legs being that so much out. It just makes me feel a bit ish like I'm so uncomfortable. But yeah, I think we're gonna have to return this. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to return this. It's I don't know why, but it's I don't know. Tell me in the comments whether you like this dress or not, because I didn't like it very much, and I just thought it looks totally different. That's the thing. That's the surprise with online shopping. And then we have this other dress that is supposed to be, so it's really cute, but unfortunately when I was unboxing, I did happen to not belt it the right way at the back. So this is not how it's supposed to be at the back. You're supposed to belt it up like a zigzag thingy. So you will it looks good, but it would have looked even better if it was done right. Then we have this two-piece pajama set. It was really nice. It was really cute. It's really cute. The color, and it's satin, so it's so comfortable, and it's such a sexy feel to it. And if you love satin, you're probably going to like this because it's so cute and it's so comfortable, and you can just wear it around the house and just be sexy all day and slay all day without feeling as if you are not put together, that sort of thing. And then we have this dress. It looks so good. It was so beautiful. The thing is, Most of the dresses are quite short, and if you do not like very short dresses, you might not probably like it. So that's the thing. So if you want really tall dresses or below your knee kind of dresses, you have to look for midi dresses. That's the other thing that I've come to realize. But since I love the dresses so much, I'm probably going to keep them and then just wear them with something like leggings or tights. Sorry, not leggings. So here we're looking for something else. So they have really cool undies, and these are undies, and yeah, they are really cute. I did not show them how they look on the model because I thought that was so exposing, so left that bit out. And then you have this blue dress. At first I thought, oh, I'm not going to like it because it looked so like a lingerie, but on wearing it, oh my god, it was so cute. Like, this is such a dress. Don't worry about the bra. Probably I'm just wearing it to see whether I will even like it. But this dress totally amazed me. I thought it was going to be short, but it was really good, especially if you can find the right bra for it. But it was so cute. Can you see that? Like, it was so cute. It was so cute. I totally didn't believe when it fitted me this good. So I'm really happy with this one. This one is a must. This one is a must keep. I'm really not going to return it. So we have the other dress. This one is a short one, as you can see. As you will see when I wear it, it's a bit short. I think it's one of those sexy dresses that you just need to wear when you're going out. And you cannot wear it out in public. Of course you can wear it in public, but it depends on your occasion and what are you doing, because not all occasions will allow you to wear this dress. And also you have to get some shoes, and I don't like high heels, so I'm gonna have to get some new shoes and to match everything out, because some of the dresses are too short. And we tried to work with pink. I don't know, I don't have any pink dresses, and this was, I don't know why I don't have any pink dresses. That is so weird. But this dress looked so good on the model, on the website. Can you see how good it looks? And it was midi, and it's just fits so perfect, and it's so good. You can walk around with it. You can go to the office if you have an office scheduled, though I'm worried that you might be too sexy. But it's so beautiful, and I loved it. And I love the sleeves. I don't know why I love these kind of sleeves, but these sleeves, I have a dress that looks like this, and it was great. Then we have leggings. I love their leggings because of that functionality in the back. Can you see that? It lifts your bum up, and it looks so gorgeous. That bum lifting thing, anyway, don't mind me. I was just probably doing my weird, awkward, happy dance. Anyway, it was a blue set of leggings, and it was good. And I'll probably buy more for when I'm going to the gym, because it makes you feel so good, and it looks so good, and it feels good to be in the gym. You want to look good in the gym so that you can get like motivation type of thing. And then we have this color of leggings. They are really cute, I'll say that. They're really cute, and they're two sets, and it's two sets. So you have the sports bra, and you have the leggings. And this is so beautiful. It's one of those things that make you feel like going to the gym every time you wear it. Like, it's so sexy. I mean, it's so good. It looks good on me. So yeah, it was a small size. Anyway, I've left all the details here if you want to check it out. And then we have very many pieces of bikinis. And when I go out and there's a swimming pool, of course I'm gonna swim, and I just thought, why not, let me just try this kind of bikinis. Anyway, I didn't show it on here because I did show it. It's there. Then we have socks, I love socks just because I love to try them out, and you can never go wrong with buying socks because they're kind of cheap and they will always make you happy, especially if they're new socks. And these ones were very thick, so that's a plus. And we have more bikinis. This one was a bit white, I think cream, and it was really good, so I loved it. And then we had this dress. No, not really a dress. It was like a two-piece with a short and what do you call it? A symmetrical top. It was really cute. Oh my god, I loved it. I really love something. I normally do have my awkward happy dance, but it was really cute. Yeah, and I love the short. I know it's too short, but I think I can find somewhere to wear it without feeling as if I'm exposing too much. I hate that feeling of exposing too much, especially my legs. My legs tend to be a bit. No. I don't want to show too much. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can leave comments, you can like, you can support as much as you want. And yeah, see you next time.